Hello friends, welcome once again to Rick's Garage. Today I have for you a sort of unboxing video. I say sort of because I've actually already taken it out of the box, as you can see, but I have not opened the case yet. This is my new Powerbuilt Strut Spring Compressor. It was just delivered a few minutes ago. It is kit number 91, model number 641429. I forget exactly what I paid for it. I think it was about somewhere around 150 bucks. I bought it on Amazon. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you'll know that all the tools I choose to review are non-sponsored, meaning that I do not receive any kind of promotional fee or the tool as a promotion. Every single tool I've ever reviewed on my channel, including this one, I paid for with my own money. What you see here is my old spring compressor kit. I never felt safe using it because it had no locking mechanism, no safety features at all. If that spring should slip out of there, it could be fatal. So I am going to discard these, and I don't recommend anybody buying this type. I was watching YouTube the other day, and they had a video showing new upcoming tools, must-have tools. I think there were 10 of them, and this was one of them in that video. I saw it, I liked it, and when I looked it up online, it didn't seem to be all that expensive. Shipping was free and very fast. I ordered this 2 days ago, and it's already was on my doorstep this morning. The case is rather large. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep it yet. It's certainly not going to fit in any of my toolboxes. But the case is almost 24 inches long. It's 11 inches deep and it's 15 inches high. So it's a pretty good sized case. It looks very impressive anyway. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we've got here. Alright, so we've got a piece of tape to remove. Probably just to keep it from opening when it's being shipped. Okay. It looks quite impressive. Let's get this, take it out of the box. Whoa, it's very, very heavy. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so it comes with a little sponge thing, but I think it's just to protect it in shipping. And it has these little safety pins that stick in there somehow. That's good. That's what I wanted, some sort of safety feature. Has an instruction manual. And it's made so it can't come out. It's kind of stuck in there, so you're not going to lose the manual for sure. So all in all, the case looks pretty impressive. So I'm going to pull the pins out, the safety pins. Okay, let's get the case out of the way for now. And let's have a look at the unit itself. It's very heavy, looks very well made. This device is made to be used with a heavy-duty bench vise, like I have here. You can see it's got a little tab welded on that allows you to set it easily into the vise and clamp it. So we're going to do that right now. Just set right on top of the vise. And tighten it down. There. So it is made to hook up to a 1/2-inch drive device. I've got a electric impact wrench. That opens it right up. I don't know how far it'll go. So I don't want to use the impact wrench until I'm sure how far it'll expand. So I'm going to get a regular ratchet. So I've got an ordinary 1/2-inch ratchet. I'm going to finish cranking it out the rest of the way. I don't want to damage it by overextending it with a power tool. That's as far as it goes right there. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. There. So evidently, if I had a strut to compress, I would fit the strut here, in this area here, and then I would install my safety devices. Imagine those would go through the springs. There's two different types of device spots where you can put this thing. Even up, and then they kind of clip in. One on the other side. There we go. And we have another one for the other side. So depending on how big the spring is you're compressing, you have one or two places to put these. Now it says you're not supposed to attempt to compress a spring with a diameter of bigger than 3/4 of an inch. It's been my experience that all the springs I've ever tried to do are nowhere near that big. So probably it'd be some sort of truck in order to get a spring that size. So the safety mechanisms are easy enough to install. There we go. And so now, crank it this way. And I don't think there's any danger of overextending it with a power tool. So it appears to be very safe and looks like it's very easy to use. Probably that'd be as far as you'd want to compress it. My biggest problem is going to be finding a place to store it. If you've ever seen my garage, I've got so much stuff in here now, I'm getting kind of limited on space. I've got some ideas, so I don't have a spring to actually compress. I wish I did. The next time I use this thing, I will post a video. So I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. And we hope to see you again sometime very soon.